Have you accidentally hidden your WhatsApp from your iPhone home screen? Or maybe you are looking for a way to find your missing WhatsApp apps on iPhone. Well, no worries. In this video, I'll show you how you can unhide the WhatsApp app on your iPhone. So, let's get started. Swipe left on your home screen to the app library. Then, scroll down. You will find a box called Hidden. Tap on it. Enter the passcode or scan your face. Then press and hold on the WhatsApp app. Next, tap Don't require the passcode. Enter the passcode, or if you set Face ID on your iPhone, then scan your face. Now, tap on the search bar at the top. Search WhatsApp. You will find the WhatsApp app here. Open up the Settings app. Next, scroll down. Tap Screen Time again. Scroll down. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions, and then tap Allowed Apps and Features. Toggle off the WhatsApp option. And this is how you can unhide the WhatsApp app on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any kind of questions, then please write them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next idiot.